Children, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Jana Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you will be fine at home. So dear children, we have done some exercises in previous video. Today we will do some exercise Dear students, I have told you about the alphabetical order, okay? But once again, I will remind you about the alphabetical order, okay? So listen carefully. Dear children, we all know that in English alphabet we have 26 letters starting from A to Z, okay? And combination of these letters are used to make the different words that we have in the English language. Now, it is not possible for us to know the meaning everyone, so at times when we want to know the meaning of unknown words, then what do we do? Okay, now we have a dictionary has thousands or group of words. So how do you find out particular words in the dictionary? In dictionary all the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So if you want to find out a word in a dictionary, you need to search in the correct alphabetical order. Okay, so dear children, we will do start exercise D. Arrange these groups of words in alphabetical order. Okay, words arranging with the same letters should be arranged such that their letters are in the order of alphabet. In the second letters are also the same, then arrange the third letters and also fourth. But here is given on only 3 letters word, okay, and you will choose the first and second letters, okay. When will come after first letter? Okay, first is here is groups of words, okay. First is not, nut and net, hill, okay. And you will arranging these groups of words. First is nil, then first is nil, first is net, then nil, then not, then nut, okay. Second is also you are arranging the same first number, this exercise, okay. Here is given some words: able, apple, egg and eggs, okay. Then you will arrange these letters in correct way in sequence: able, egg, apple, eggs, okay, through the second letters, okay. Now third is hot, hat, hit and hut, okay. Now you will arrange these letters in correct order: hot, hat, hit, hat, hut, okay. Now fourth is label, lost, lame, lemon, then label, lemon, lame, lost, okay. Fifth is fig and fur, fan, fat. Then you will arrange the first letter fan, then fat, then fig, then fur, okay. Now sixth mat, math, mall, and man. Now you will arrange the first letter mall, then man, then math, then mat. Okay. Now seventh is yak, yach, yummy, and yellow. Now you will arrange the first letter yak and then yach and yellow and yummy. Okay. Now eighth ball, bush, bush, and bat, ball, bush, bat, bass. Okay. Now in correct way, alphabetical, according to alphabetical order, ball, then bat, then bass, then bush. Okay. Now ninth is does, then, done, dam. Now you will arrange the first word in correct way in sequence, dam, then, done, dusk. Okay. Now tenth is orange, orange, ors, oasis, oak. Okay. Now you will arrange the first letter oak, ors, and oasis, orange. Okay. Orange. Okay. Now the next exercise, look at the given chart. Look at the given chart. If a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3, and so on, can you read the following message? Now you can see here is given for you alphabetical chart. Okay, and with the numbers, which is number on the alphabets. Okay. Now come to the next page. First is 9, 12, 15, 22, 5, 9, 3, 5, 3, 18, 5, 1, 13. Okay. Now you will see in the chart. You can see in the chart. Look at the chart. Ninth. Which letter is comes on the ninth number? Okay. So 9. You will count the tip of the finger. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Ninth I will come on the ninth number. Okay. So I. Okay. Now 12th. Just like that you will do. Okay. 12th number is on the L. Okay. L is on the 12th number. Okay. Now 15th O. Okay. 22 V. Okay. 5 E. Then what will be word? 9 is I love ice cream. Okay. You will search the letters of these according to numbers. Then your sentence will be I love ice cream. Okay. I love ice cream. You can do same according to first number. Okay. Here is 15, 2, 5, 2, 25, 25, 15, 21, 18, 16, 1, 18, 5. Here is your message in correct sentence. Obey your parents. Okay. Obey your parents. It is very, very, very easy. You can do it very easily. Okay. You will find out the numbers together. You will find out the letters with numbers. Okay, very easily. Here is which is given for you chart, alphabetical chart. Okay, you can do according to first, which has been explained for you. Okay. So dear children, you can do it by the help of PDF. Okay. So dear children, learn and practice at your home in your notebook. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Keep watching the video.